Search engine optimization, SEO. You've probably heard the term SEO, but maybe you weren't sure of what it means. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is the act of increasing the quality and quantity of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. While there are few search engines out there, the most popular is Google. An effective SEO strategy follows specific guidelines and best practices that will ensure a website ranks on the first page of the search engine results. Some of these guidelines include optimizing your page weight, relevant keywords, easy to navigate website structure, high quality relevant information, use of specific headers to break up content and help search engine understand the content. To rank on the first page on the search engine, you need to structure your website and pages to attract organic traffic. Without SEO, it is almost impossible to grow an online business organically, and you will need to also use paid advertisement. SEO is also closely related to other digital marketing elements like email marketing and content marketing. They work together to give customers high quality content. An effective SEO campaign addresses three key elements: your website, Google, and your audience. Google then ranks your site when a search query that matches your focus keyword is entered. You might be wondering how Google does that. When Google's algorithm assess your site, they take into consideration the site structure and content. They then match your content with search queries and related keywords to determine how relevant your content is to these questions. The longer visitors spend on your site, the better your SEO chances. So posting creative and unique content with high word count will help improve your website's ranking. Now, I would love to hear from you which digital marketing strategy you think is most effective in online marketing. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, share, or subscribe to tutorials on digital marketing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.